Let's start with the very first problem set, and it is completely based on chapter 1 set. Okay, so the very first question is choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. So here are 6 MCQ. The first MCQ is, in it we have given one set M and it has elements 1, 3, 5. Set N has elements 2, 4, 6. Then we have to find M intersection N. So now we will compare the elements of M and N, and we have to find the common elements in both of them. So we are unable to find any common element in both the elements in both the set. There is nothing common between the elements of M and elements of N. So the intersection is null set because there is no element in this set. So the right option is option C. Second one is P is a set of all x such that x is an odd natural number, greater x is greater than 1 and less than or equals to 5. So first of all, odd number between 1 to 5 is 1, 3 and 5 itself. Okay, so we don't have to include 1 here because it should be greater than 1. So it should be 3 and 5, and we have to include 5 here because it is less than or equals to 5. So the answer is 3 and 5. So it is option D, 3 and 5. Third one, P is equals to 1, 2 and so on up to 10. So the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What type of set P is? So let's see the options first. Null set, infinite set, finite set, none of this. So null set means no element. So here are 10 elements. Infinite set means uncountable elements, but here we can count the elements in this. And finite set means finite and countable elements. So here the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So each and every element we can write it. It is known to us, it is countable. That's why the answer is finite set, option C. Next, fourth MCQ, M union N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and M is equals to 1, 2, 4. Then which of the following represents set N? सो हमें सेट एन में ऐसे एलिमेंट्स लेने हैं जिसको अगर हम एम के साथ यूनियन करेंगे तो हमें एम यूनियन एन के जो एलिमेंट्स हैं सब मैच होने चाहिए. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ मेनी numbers are absent in set M? It is 3, 5, 6. ओके, सो हमारा जो n रहेगा उसमें एटलीस्ट ये तीनों नंबर्स होने चाहिए, 3, 5, 6. इससे ज़्यादा होगा तो भी चलेगा बट इससे कम नंबर्स नहीं होने चाहिए. ओके, सो ऐसे कौन से ऑप्शन है? 1, 2, 3. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज़ 1, 2, 3. नो, दैट इज़ नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज़ 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, यहाँ पर 4 कॉमन रहेगा, इट विल डू. हम जब यूनियन करते हैं तो हम कॉमन वाले को रिपीट नहीं करते बट कॉमन नंबर्स चलते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी विल पुट ऑल दी एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एम एंड एन, if we are taking n as option number B, then we will get M union N correct. Okay, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, each and everything is present, each and every element is present when we will put together all the elements of M and option B. Okay, so the correct option is B. Fifth one, if P is a subset of M, then which of the following set represent P intersection with P union M? So here we have seen one property of union. Okay, उसमें यही आपको दिया था. When P is a subset of M, then P union M is equals to M. So P union M is equals to M होगा, ओके, बिकॉज इन सब के जितने, अगर P इज़ अ सबसेट ऑफ M, दैट मीन्स P के सब एलिमेंट्स M में प्रेजेंट है, और जब हम P और M का यूनियन फाइंड करेंगे देन वी विल गेट द आंसर एज M के जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं वही हमें एलिमेंट मिलेंगे P यूनियन M के. सो दैट्स वाई P यूनियन M इज इक्वल्स टू M. सो इनडायरेक्टली वी हैव टू फाइंड P इंटरसेक्शन M. तो P इंटरसेक्शन M फाइंड करना है, तो वो क्या आंसर आएगा उसका? इट इज़ P, बिकॉज P के सब एलिमेंट्स M में प्रेजेंट हैं, तो P और M में जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो P के इक्वल्स टू होंगे. Here you can see the hints also. So therefore the correct option is P, option A. So let's see the last MCQ. Which of the following sets are empty set? First one is set of intersecting points of parallel lines. Second, set of even prime numbers. Third, month of an English calendar having less than 30 days. Fourth, P is a set of all x such that x belongs to integers and x is less than 1 and greater than -1. Okay, so first of all let's see the last option, integer which is less than 1 and greater than -1 is 0, तो ये empty set नहीं है. Option C, days less than 30, the month is February. Okay, so this is also not a empty set. B option, set of even prime numbers. Yes, it is singleton set because 2 is the only even prime number. Then the last option means the only remaining option is option A, set of intersecting points of parallel lines. You all know parallel lines never intersect. ऐसे कोई पैरेलल लाइंस नहीं है जिनके हम इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई द ऑप्शन ए इज़ द एम्प्टी सेट एंड इट इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फाइंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर द गिवन क्वेश्चन. इट इज़ ऑल्सो टाइप ऑफ MCQ ओनली. सो फर्स्ट वन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कलेक्शंस इज अ सेट? Colors of the rainbow, tall trees in the school campus, rich people in the village, easy examples in the book. Okay, so here colors of the rainbow, it is definite. सबके लिए there are 7 colors. Tall trees, rich people and easy examples can differ from different person. Okay, so second one is which of the following set represent n intersection W, that means natural number intersection whole number. So the common between natural number and whole number, so what it is, the numbers from 1 2 3 4. Okay, because whole numbers में एक ही extra होता है, that is 0. So B option is not the correct, C is also not the correct one and D is also not the correct one. The only correct answer is option A, 1 2 3 4 and so on till infinity. Third one, P is a set of all x such that x is a letter of word Indian. Then which of the following is set P in listing form? Okay, so here we have to find the answer in listing form. The options, word Indian has letter I, N, D, I, A, N, but I is repeating twice, N is also repeating twice, so we will write it only once. Therefore the answer should be I, N, D, A. So where are these elements? It's in option B, so correct answer is option B, I, N, D, A. Fourth one, if T is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 and M is equals to 3 4 7 8, then T union M is equals to what? So we have to find T union M. So we will write all the elements of T and M in one set and we don't have to repeat the elements which are repeating in T and M. Okay, so the answer should be 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 and it is option C. So correct answer is option C. So question number 3, out of 100 persons in a group, 72 persons speak English and 43 persons speak French. Each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language. Then how many speak only English? How many speak only French? How many of them speak English and French both? Okay, so first of all, let U be the set of all persons. Okay, because this is our universal set. There are 100%. So this is universal set. E be the set of person who speak English and F be the set of person who speak French. So number of E number is 72 and number of F is equals to 43. Since each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language, number of U is equals to E union F equals to 100. So each and everyone speak at least one language. Okay, so if we will put together all the person means who are speaking English and French, उसमें से कुछ दोनों भी बोलते होंगे, कुछ सिर्फ एक ही लैंग्वेज बोलते होंगे. ओके, बट each and every person speak one of the language, so that's why number of U is equals to E union F. Okay, secondly we have formula E union F. Number of E union F is equals to number of E plus number of F minus E intersection F. Okay, so out of this we have three data, that is E union F is equals to 100, number of E is equals to 72, number of F is equals to 43. So we have substituted here and what we got, 72 plus 43 minus 100. So we are finding number of E intersection F. So this is in minus. So what we will do, we will shift this to the other side and now it should be alone. Okay, so that's why 100 will get shifted to this side and plus 100 will become minus 100. So what has happened here, that number of E intersection F is equals to 72 plus 43 minus 100. Okay, so 72 plus 43 is 115 and minus 100 and we will get only 15. So number of E intersection F is equals to 15. So number of people who speak English and French is equals to 15. So this is the number of people who speak both. Why? Because it is intersection. Intersection means the people who are common in English and French. Okay, so that means they speak both the language. Next, how we will find number of people who speak only English. Who speak only English. So, number of E minus number of E intersection F. Because what is number of E? They speak English, but इसमें कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो English French दोनों भी बोलते हैं और कुछ ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ English बोलते हैं. And what we have to find? Only English. That means we will subtract this number of E minus number of E union, number of E intersection F. Okay, because E intersection F में कौन है जो दोनों बोलते हैं, बट हमें सिर्फ सिंगल इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पर्सन फाइंड करना है जो सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोले. So that's why 72 minus 15 and we will get 57. Okay, so answer is 57. These are the number of people who only speak English. Next, similarly, we will find the people who only speak French. That is number of F minus number of E intersection F. That is 43 minus 15. Okay, so this was easy. Question number 4. 70 trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pradnya on the occasion of Tree Plantation Week. Out of these, 25 trees were planted by both of them together. How many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya? So here, first of all, it is given that how many trees planted by Parth and how many trees were planted by Pradnya. And then the number of trees they planted together. And what we have to find is total कितने trees plant हुए हैं पार्थ और प्रज्ञा से, lonely or together. We have to find all total. Okay, so solution: let P be the trees planted by Parth and Q be the trees planted by Prajna. Okay, so this is we are taking as P and this set is Q. So number of P is equals to 70. Yes, it is given. Number of Q is equals to 90. This is also given. Total number of trees planted by Parth and Prajna is equals to number of P intersection Q, and that is 25. Okay, so this is the number of trees they planted together. Okay, it is given. Next, number of trees planted by Parth or Prajna, it is P union Q. Why? Because हमें total find करने की, total कितने trees plant हुए हैं. Okay, and how we will find? With the help of formula. So number of P union Q is equals to number of P plus number of Q minus number of P intersection. So number of P is equals to 70, number of Q is equals to 90, and number of P intersection Q is equals to 25. This is given. Okay, so now 70 plus 90 is 160 minus 25 is 135. So a total of 135 trees were planted by Parth or Prajna. So total number of trees were 135, which were planted by Parth and Prajna. So okay, so this was also very easy, just one formula, that's it. 5. If number of A is equals to 20, number of B is equals to 28, and number of A union B is equals to 36, then you have to find number of A intersection B. So it is very easy. We just have to use the formula, and that we are using here. So number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So number of A union B is equals to 36, number of A is equals to 20, number of B is equals to 28 minus number of A intersection B. So number of A intersection B we have to find, and we will take it to the one side alone. Okay, it should be alone because that we have to find in this question. So number of A intersection B is equals to 20 plus 28, and this 36 will shift to other side and it will become minus 36. So 20 plus 28 minus 36 gives 12. So number of A intersection B is equals to 12. Easy.